Today, I will teach you how to make a cool and fast airplane. Don't mind about creases. Step number 1, fold it in half. Step number 2, make a triangle shape like this. And then after that you fold this side to this other side, and you do it to the other side like this. After when you're done doing that, flip it and just leave about this size, and then or you can do less. The best one I think would be this. After when you're done doing that, you start folding like this to here. If you can see it clearly, like this. It's kind of hard, but if you get the hang of it, you get it. And here's a cool fact. I was the one who invented this. Not that random guy from TikTok. I was the one who invented these types of airplanes. I invented it 2 weeks ago when I was just joking and try, and I still remember some folds from old tutorials that I watched 1 month ago. So back to the video. And then you should fold this. When you're done doing this, you fold it to the other side, and then look at this. You fold it on top as far as it would go. Wait. Like this. If it's correct, the back side would look like this, but